Hi guys, welcome to Telehosting. Today I'll be teaching you how to create a subdomain using Telehosting's cPanel. Firstly, you go to the Telehosting website, which is www.telehosting.com. Once you're in, you click on Services, cPanel, and you scroll down a little and you select Login to cPanel. Once you're logged into cPanel, in the cPanel homepage, you scroll down a little and you select Domains under the Domain section. Once that's done, you simply click on Create a new domain. After that, you fill out the form, you put your domain name. Once that's done, you can choose to share your documents, roots, or you can leave it like that. I selected to share my document roots. Once that's done, you click on Submit. Once the subdomain is created, you will see a success message like this. Once that's done, you can test the subdomain by entering it into your browser. You can also add content to your subdomain by uploading from your file manager, or furthermore, you can install applications with Subdomains. Both of these I've just mentioned have been covered in our previous video, so kindly watch our previous videos to know how to go about uploading files to your subdomain and installing apps from Subdomains. That's it for this one, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to remain updated. If you have any difficulties, don't hesitate to put them up on the comment section. We will be attending to every comment you put up on the comment section, or I'll just be creating a fresh video for you to help with your confusions and for further clarifications. Thank you. See you on the next one. Telehosting out.